So if you have natural straight hair, this is how my hair looks. This is literally how it looks. Like when it dries, it's worse. It's still wet because I showered. I mean, honestly, I like how it looks wet, but it's not cute. This is my hair. It's literally my hair. Alright, so I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do curly hair. Well, I call it curly hair, but it's wavy hair technically. The first thing you want to do is actually move your hair backwards. Like that. You want to get your blow dryer, any blow dryer. When you blow dry it, do it like this. Make sure your hair's up while you're doing it, and keep doing it until your whole head is dry. You don't want any wet spots because you'll know because it won't. It just won't work. So. Alright, so once your hair is dry, it should look somewhat like this. Make sure all your hair is dry because it just won't curl. Look, it ain't curly hair, but I'm gonna call it curly hair because I curl it back and my brain is way too small to understand. Yeah, okay, whatever. Okay, so this is the straightener I'm gonna use. I got it at Sally Beauty Supply Store. I really like it because I bought the Walmart one, so don't use a cheap one. It will fuck up your hair. It's at $3.10. Basically, what we're gonna do is, so you're gonna grab the hair and you're gonna bring it back. But go slowly, don't rush it. For the back, I know you can't see the back, but you can just wing it. So I'm curling it back. You also wanna grab as little as possible because you kinda want your hair to be, kinda look natural, basically. I'm gonna grab the strand, right? I'm gonna go, make sure it's front, back. Don't go in front because you ain't grabbing nothing. So make sure you're grabbing it. I grab it and then go backwards. Literally, just curl backwards and keep going back slowly. But don't burn your hair, but just slowly. And then let go. Well, I don't let go. I just run out of hair, so just keep going. When you're done curling, you're not done yet, so see how it looks. Use your fingers and go through it, like just pick at it. Just like that. See? This is the final look. So if you do want to keep it a little bit longer, you can use this. I use this spray. I use a shit ton. It does make your hair look dead, so it's better to use it an hour before you go out because it doesn't look cute. Be careful how much you use because this is power level 4. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's basically how I do my hair every day, and I think it kind of suits me.